Well, I'm going to talk to you about with the coronavirus and everything that's going on. We've been taking steps to keep ourselves safe. But what we did, we've got well water, so it's not like it's a huge ordeal for water. But see, these buckets are food grade, heavy duty, BPA free Tractor Supply buckets. They're like $5, and I bought a couple lids. And what I did, for starters, I went on eBay and I bought these filters. I don't know if you can see them, but I drilled a 3/8 hole in the bottom, and these two filters just screw into place. And you can see how they're in there. And then, and I'm not done, I'm still cleaning everything. So, and then what I did, I measured my lid out and I did the same thing. See, we got two holes in it, and those are actually a 1-inch bit. And this ain't perfect, but you can see what I did. I took and bought a set of paddle bits, and I did a really clean job. And the same company I bought my Berkey filters through, I also bought this little water spigot. And it's chrome, and it's also BP free. And all you do is you lift it up and water will come out. And it was a 3/8, it was a 1/2-inch hole. And it's white, so you really can't see it. I got to zoom in close, but it's got washers, rubber washers that keep it from leaking as well. You know, the filters were the most expensive part of this. The filters cost, I got them on sale on eBay for $72, which was really dirt cheap for those two Berkey filters. This piece here was like $7, and the buckets were $5. But what's nice is you can take it to the river with you, and you can put river water in it and you can drink it. I mean, this thing is really meant to do what it says they're supposed to do. But anyway, what you'll do is, once the buckets are wiped out and clean from the drilling, this lid will go on here like this. It just snaps on into place. We take our second bucket. It's got the filters in it, and it'll sit right on top into the bucket. And what you'll do is you'll just pour water into this top bucket, throw a lid on it, let it set a little while, and come over and pull that up, and you have fresh filtered water. And like I say, it's the buckets and the parts didn't really cost that much. The biggest expense was the filters. You can see how they just go on down in there. And look, it's not drilled perfect. This isn't a perfect operation because my gap isn't quite lined up like it's supposed to be. But everything sits tight. This thing will work flawlessly well. And like I say, for no more than what it is, this will work. And these filters are good for 3,000 gallons each. And I've heard of different guys that clean them. I don't know if it's actually true, but they are Berkey filters. So this thing's good for a long time. It's meant to filter a lot of water. And we're doing well water, so our water's already pretty clean. But I'm just going to have this where I can put water in it and have it so we have plenty of fresh drinking water. But this works good while we're camping, or for a scenario where you don't have water, you could put rainwater in this and drink it, and it would work just fine. Have a good one. Bye.